How to pin a sticker on your Instagram reel. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. First, we have to open a camera roll and click on reel. Once the reel option is open, I'm going to record a reel. Once you are done recording it, click on next. Here on the top right there is an option of a sticker. Click on it. You can search anything. You can search dance, and here you'll have all the stickers available. I'll click on a sticker. Click on the sticker. You can reduce the size, you can increase the size, move it wherever you want, and place it wherever you desire the sticker to be, and click on next. And once you click on next, your reel will be ready with the sticker. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.